Hey guys, we're out here on Cibolo Creek. This is the Crescent Bend Nature Park. This is near Schertz, Texas. But there are a bunch of fish over here. I landed a small bass, bluegill, but I also heard there's catfish in here, which is awesome. Right now, I only got like a few minutes to fish. I got like 10 minutes. I didn't record everything, but got a little bit of fish. I'm going to be putting on a worm and a bobber in this beautiful, crystal clear section of the creek. Almost reminds me of the Nueces River whenever I went there. It was pretty awesome. Use that one. Took this one out there. Oh, dang it. Dad, I had a bite. Oh, he took it straight off my hook. Alright, so there's something over here in this little roadside area. We just crossed over this overpass. This overpass is loaded with fish. I saw some cichlids. Do it! That's where I got my bites. You should do it. I have a better bobber you can use if you don't want to use that one. But yeah, we're using worms. And I used a lure earlier. I had a bite on a wacky rig, but I was unable to set the hook correctly. So I've just been using worms. Worms are fun. Worms are easy to use. Simple. And almost anything in this creek will bite them. This part of the creek is awesome because it's crystal clear in some places. Yeah, someone keeps on taking my bait. Probably then. Perfect. Right there, look. Dang it, it came off. That was a fish, that for sure. The bobber's moving. Dude. I have an orange one in there you can use. Look, see my bobber? What is biting my stuff? Dad, please. We have to come back here. Sure, casting over there. There. Did you hear what that guy just said? He said downstream there's gar. Yeah. I got him. Got him. Oh, he came off right there. You saw that? He came off right there. See that area right there? That's where all the fish are hiding. Oh my gosh. I keep taking my bait. You're getting bites there, you're getting bites. Right there. So am I, so am I. They're getting bites. Got it. Bro? Nope. Oh, it's moving, it's moving, it's moving. Oh, it's not. That's the sun tricking you. Oh. Now you have to make sure the end of your rod is straight. Somebody's taking my bait. What even was that? Split shot, split shot, split shot. These must be some tiny fish. Tiny ones are some very smart ones. Oh, I got him, I got him, I got him! Big fish! Oh no, is it a bluegill? What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh! Look at the size of this fish! Dad, they got monsters in here. Hold on, hold on. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Long ear sunfish. Look at this one. Take a picture. Alright, look at this. See this? This is a long ear sunfish. Oh my gosh, this thing is big. Personal best long ear sunfish. Safe travels. Put him over here. There he goes, look. There he goes, boom. Raise your hands up. Oh. Oh, Dad, this water is warm. Oh yeah. Imagine if you can swim in here. Alright guys, that was us fishing at Cibolo Creek at Crescent Nature Park. Went over this little overpass. This area is absolutely beautiful. Rocks and water are crystal clear. Water feels warm and nice. Apparently this gentleman over there said that there was gar and catfish further downstream. I want to check that out in a future video. But we found this little roadside area, caught a decent amount of fish. My dad landed a nice bluegill and so did I. But that's going to be the end of today's adventure. If you guys like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, God bless, and have a great day. Bye.